Wow. Hey, how are you? How are you? Yes, if you're watching right now, those ones in United States of America, those ones in UK, China, Netherlands, Turkey, please big up to you guys. Today I'm going to do something very simple and people have been asking about it. So the only thing you do, subscribe. Oh, yes. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Indeed, we are going to look at a very simple hairstyle called spongy dread. And we're going to look at it how we do it in this quarantine because it is very hard like to get equipments since we all left them in the in the salon. So we're going to be using our African we're going to do it in the African way. So I'm going to be plating the spongy dread, though I'm sorry. Just know the cornrows, if you try to check on my previous videos, the cornrows, they just go behind like those ones of spring twist. You can check. So I got the kinky and then I'm crocheting it. I'm very sorry, like I didn't show you at the first place how I started it, but if you've been watching my videos, you can catch up. It was just the I did the cornrows going behind, yes, going behind, like those ones of spring twist. You can check out, and then I crocheted it the way I'm doing right now using the kinky. So we're going to do something very simple. She wanted a spongy dread but in a crochet format. Yes, because some people have been doing it using their normal hair to do a spongy dread in their normal natural hair, because when you have straight hair you can't do it. So we're doing it in the African way. What am I trying to say? We are going to see what I'll be using. So I'm crocheting it this way, very slowly by slowly, like I told you. Whenever we are in the quarantine and guys is have to stay home, stay safe, make sure you wash your hands. It's what is on right now. So everything we're trying to do is inside and it's at home. So that's how it is. So when I'm done with doing the crocheting, the step that I'm going to do right now is to shape my sponge. So I shape it this way. You see, it was very big and didn't have shape, so I'm trying to give it a shape. One, the only trick I can tell you here, please try to listen carefully. Whenever you're trying to cut this hair, just make sure you have it in your mind. Get something in your mind, like just know that art that you feel you want to bring out, like what you feel you want to what you feel like that hair, that thing that you feel inside that you want, the look. Oh my god, I don't know how I can explain it, but to bring that look that you want, yeah, it's what I'm trying to mean. So just guess it in, put it in your mind and draw it like you feel I want my person to look this way. So this is that's how you will bring it out. So for me, I feel I want to do a French cut. You understand? Like to leave them like the sides to be small and then the upper side to be a little bit bigger. You understand that? So that is what I have in my mind. For you, you can choose to do it in a brush format. Oh, the brush, that one I mean, when it's all the same, like all levels are the same. But for me, I'm doing it in that way. So trust me, you're going to like it if you have that art of doing it your way. So me, I just do it in a French cut. And whenever you're doing this, Remember, I told you we're doing a spongy dread. It's supposed to be crazy. So by now I don't have those equipment that I've been using in the salon. So the only thing I'm going to be using, I'm just going to do it in our like in in an African way. So how am I going to do it? I have to get my that a sponge. Yes, a sponge. You'll see it how it looks. Just got it from Africa. So you just get that one, then you start rubbing it to make it crazy. After you have shaped, like after you have got that shape that you feel that you want. So that is the thing that I'm trying to do here. So try to look at it very carefully. You will see what I'm trying to tell you.
You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the air zipper and get flashy.
So you see what I'm trying to tell you, how it looks. So you keep on rubbing it that way. It makes it very crazy. And another trick I would tell you to do here, before you rub it, try to make your sponge wet. Yes, before you rub it. Sometimes you can use a towel. Yeah, you can use a towel, but for the towel you don't have to make it wet. So you do it that way. You keep on rubbing, and if you have the sprays, you just keep on you spray with the sprays and you keep on rubbing that way. So you see how it start coming crazy, and that's the thing that you want. So when you see it that way, after becoming crazy, it means the shape is trying to lose. So if that shape loses, what you do, the shape, if it's trying to disappear, what you do, you come and cut again to bring that shape back, the one that you wanted. So it's the thing that I'm trying to do here, as I told you. So please, I want you to watch carefully so that you also get to learn the thing. It is very, very nice. It's long lasting. It can even take more than 3 to 4 months, because whenever it grows, it keeps on looking like hair. Yes, so you can even wash it. You keep on washing it, putting the oil in the middle of your cornrows. So that's how you can keep it. So please try to look at it very carefully, and you will like it more than I do. I love you so much, and please, you can share this with your friends. If you're watching right now and you want to learn how to do short hair from long hair. So she had long hair, but I did it short hair. So I love you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, because I sign out. And please try to look at it very carefully. You see how it's going to end. Mwah. I love you.
Come to the air zipper, 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 hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Yeah. Come to the hair zipper, 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 zipper. zipper.